So this tutorial is about how to find the categories of photographs from the set and how to write them down to the table. Okay, let's move here. So here we have a table, and to this column you have to write the names of the categories with the photographs, which are equal to these articles on Wikipedia, and you're taking them from this set. I recommend to register or create an account because then you can switch the language. Here the basic language is English. If you want a different language, you just log in and click on English, and then you can choose whatever language you want. If you are here, the language you will start will be Czech, and if you don't want it, you just click here on this nastavení, and in here you find the language you want. So let's switch it to English, which is here, and save it. And if you are in Windows, let's click Ctrl-Shift-R, and we'll reload the page. Well, basically I had to reload it here. Again, Ctrl-Shift-R, it will reload the page and apply my changes. Where is it? Here. You can see that these names haven't switched to English. They're still in Czech, but other things, useful things for you, they have switched to English. So how to do it? Basically, you copy this name here and place it here and submit query. And you can see that these images has that name we're looking for. So let's click on the image and let's scroll down, and just down here category pomněnice. So you can just copy it and you can just edit this section. We'll start this editor and just copy paste it in here, and then select it, and then click on this kind of a link or chain. And we don't want this, we want to type commons, this, category, this, and enter the name, and then just click on done. And the same way could go the other part. What I recommend is not to copy these strings in the brackets, because sometimes the authors didn't use the. Here we go back to this set, which is called this way, and in this search we copy it here. And I want to say that sometimes the authors does not use the full name, so it may do the problems looking for those files. Let's try here, and you find it, and you see that the author really did not place there that in bracket, but the name is here and comma. So I just click on it, and I can copy here. This is the category name I'm looking for, and I just place it in here. I have to copy paste it in here. Even when I click on chain, I remove it, or I just basically type the string commons category in front of it, and then I click on done. So in most cases, the name of the category will be the same as the name of the object here, but in some cases it does not work, so you have to go line by line and see how it works. And if it doesn't work, if you cannot find it, try it without the punctuation, or how it's called. Basically, if I copy this, go back, and I'm here. If I copy it here, I remove this A, replaced by simple A, and look this way if I find it or not. And here without that long A, I cannot find it. So let's leave it there with long A, and I find it. So sometimes you have to play with that, and if you completely don't find it, leave this bottom empty. Let me show you something which won't work. Probably this won't work so well. Let's see. Yeah, it works, so I think it's a simple task and does not have a problem. Okay, that's it.